Hi everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to recover TikTok Lite password. To begin the process, open the TikTok Lite application. Now here, first thing you need to do is tap on the Me on the bottom right, and you need to tap on Login on the very bottom of the screen with the red font. Tap that. Now to tap in, you need to log in first. Tap on phone, email or username. Once you're at the login page, here you need to tap on forgot password. Tap that. There's two ways how you can recover your forgotten password, that is phone and then email. You choose the option that you want, so I'm going to go with the email process. The first thing you need to do is you need to provide the email address of your account. Type in the email address and then tap on reset. Now an email with the code will be sent to the email address of yours. You just need to go and check out your mail and type in that code that you have received on here. Once you receive the code, you type in that code over here. This way the email will be verified and you will be able to provide a new password for the account. Now you type in the new password over here and then tap on login. And there you can see you have been logged in into the account and you have successfully recovered your password as well. So this is how you can recover the TikTok Lite account password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.